Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss of class 10th applications of trigonometry exercise 12.1 7th sum. See guys, what is given? An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder he should use when it makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground? What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? Guys, actually, what is given in the question? In this question, see an electrician, see this is the electric pole. This is electric pole, guys. An electrician wants to repair at this point, at the point D, not at the point C. Okay, so this is a ladder, X is a ladder, and so they're asking to find the distance between the ladder and the pole. Okay, this is a rough figure. And angle of elevation made with the ladder to the pole is 60 degrees, guys. Now, so what and the height of the, we need to find the distance between A and B. Okay, so first student, what is given? Given that the height of the pole is 9 meters, the total height is given 9 meters. So in that, the electrician is doing repair at the point D. So from 9 meters, you delete 7.2, we get 8, the remaining part, that is 1.8. Okay, or this one they gave already, so this one we'll get. CD already given in the question, so we can find BD. So 9, the total distance is 9 minus 1.8, that is 7.2. 9 minus 1.8, that is 7.2. Okay, so 9 is the total length of the pole that is given. In that, the electrician making the repair at the point D, and the C to D distance they gave in the question, that is 1.8. okay, in the question, that is mentioned in the question, guys, 1.8. okay, now how can we find the remaining part? What is the length of the BD here? So from total length, subtract this CD part, we get the BD part. Okay, that only I mentioned here. Now we need to find the length of the ladder, that is AD, guys. We need to find the length of the ladder, that is AD, and we need to find the distance between them, distance between the ladder and the pole. Okay, now first I am doing finding length of the ladder. Given that the angle of elevation of the ladder with the pole is 60 degrees, guys. Therefore, from the triangle DAB, from the triangle DAB, so we need to find length of the ladder, right? So hypotenuse we need, and opposite side, hypotenuse and opposite. So using sine theta, we can able to find this. So sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is nothing but sine 60, that is BD by AD. So sine 60 root 3 by 2, and BD value we got as 7.2, and ladder length is x, guys. Therefore x equal to 14.4 by root 3, 14.4 by root 3 meters. Now what is second one we need to find? We need to find the distance between ladder and the pole. Okay, so from the triangle DAB, guys, from the same triangle DAB, we need to find the distance between them, right? So with same angle, so we have AD, that is adjacent side, and we have this hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse no need, so we need the, by taking BD length, BD information, and AD, we can find the tan theta, guys, that is distance between the ladder and the electric pole. You can find the distance between the ladder and the electric pole. So from the triangle DAB, tan theta equivalent opposite by adjacent side. So tan 60 is BD by AB. So tan 60 is root 3. That is 7.2 by D. So making D as subject, we get D equal to 7.2 by root 3. Therefore, the distance between the ladder and the pole is 7.2 by root 3 meters, guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.